Alrighty. Well, it looks like it's 5:50, so let's get started with our 2020 Topps 5-Star Random Team one box break number 2. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and number 5. And we've got Kenneth in the top spot and Jim T with the bottom 2 spots. So I'll just cut and paste this over to the right, sort it by everybody's name so we know which teams we have before we open our box. Blow up our font a little bit. All right. Adam has the Astros. Brian has the Cardinals. Christopher has the Marlins. Craig has the Braves and the Nationals. Dalton has the Padres. Jim has the Cubs, the Rockies, the Royals, the White Sox, and the Yankees. Joseph has the Indians. Karen has the A's. Kenneth has the Angels, the Giants, and the Phillies. Kenneth D has the Orioles. Milani has the Mariners and the Tigers. Paul has the Blue Jays, the Brewers, the Diamondbacks, the Mets, the Rangers, the Red Sox, the Reds, and the Twins. Steven has the Dodgers and the Rays, and Woody has the Pirates. Good luck, everybody. And our first card is Keston Hiura for the Brewers. I do love that etched foil at the top. That is nice. Nice touch. And our next card is Kwang Hyun Kim, rookie card for the Cardinals. Man, where would the Cardinals be this year without this guy? Nice autographed rookie card there. All right. Let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. Dalton, let me flip back over here. I'll show you. You had the Padres. All right. Our Keston Hiura card goes to the Brewer spot, and that goes to Paul. Congrats on that, Paul. Thank you for joining us this week. And then our Kwang Hyun Kim autographed rookie card for the Cardinals goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. Nice little hit there. Let's take a look at our 2 cards there. A little Hiura and Kim rookie. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2020 Topps 5-Star Random Team one box break number 2. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes with our 2020 Bowman Chrome HTA Random Team break number 1. Looks like we've still got a couple spots left in that one. In about 5 minutes. Thanks again, everybody. That's all right, Dalton. No problem. Just going to go ahead and get our list updated. Bowman Chrome.